How to hide Snapscore on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to hide Snapscore on Snapchat. So for that, just open your Snapchat, and after that just click on the profile icon from the top left, and here as you can see that I don't have any Snapscore on my profile as of now because I have a brand new account, that is why. But if you're using Snapchat for a while now, so you will be able to see your Snapscore right below the Snapchat icon and right below your profile or your username. So in order to hide your Snapscore, you need to click on the settings icon from the top right, and here just scroll down, and under the privacy control section you will see the option called contact me. So just click on it, and after that you have to set your privacy to your friends, contact to your friends. Then you have to turn off the ability to contact to reach me. Just click on OK. And if you want to hide your Snapscore from any particular friend, then you have to remove that particular friend from your list. So this is how you will be able to hide your Snapscore on Snapchat. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.